a magic bed where you can sleep. One night, the boy Ken spent a sleepless night. No matter what I did, I couldn't sleep, and my eyes were still bright even when the clock clocked at midnight. At that time, I suddenly found an old bed in the corner of the room. Ken became interested, and as he approached the bed, he found a mysterious letter written on it. If you sleep in this bed, you can go to the world of dreams in seconds. With skepticism, Ken lay down on the bed. Then, the bed began to emit a gentle light, and pleasant music began to flow. Wrapped in the feeling of being wrapped in a gentle hand, Ken's eyelids gradually became heavier. A few seconds later, he was drawn into a dream. In his dream, Ken traveled the colorful world and saw magnificent mountains and beautiful seas. There was a fun adventure waiting for you to play with your friends and encounter magical creatures. However, what he especially enjoyed was laughing with his friends in his dreams and flying freely in the sky. When he woke up, Ken felt pleasantly tired, but was enveloped in a strange sense of satisfaction. Looking at it, the bed was still emitting a gentle light, and Ken was attracted by its charm and lay down on the bed again. This time, I hope to explore a new dream world again. In this way, thanks to the bed, Ken was able to jump into the world of dreams in seconds every night. His adventures continued, and his friends and magical events in his dreams came to empower his daily lives. And Ken said, "This bed is a magical tool that gives my heart the courage to sleep at any time." Then he did not spend a sleepless night, but woke up with a fun dream world and welcomed a new day.